This is a quick tutorial on how to set up Crossfire CRSF Protocol to betaflight. So first you're going to want to wire up the receiver correctly. So it's going to be ground and 5-volt power. Next it's going to be output 1, which is your CRSF TX, and that connects to your RX on your flight controller board. Output 2 is going to be your CRSF RX, and that's going to connect to your TX on your flight controller board. That sends back telemetry. Next you're going to go into your Crossfire. You're going to go down and you're going to select the receiver that you're bound to. Next, you're going to choose the output map and set output 1 to CRSF TX. That will automatically make output 2 CRSF RX. One issue people have when setting this up is they set it up with TX to TX and RX to RX. That will cause it not to work. The other issue is they'll set up their Crossfire receiver to the UART that they were using for S-Bus, which is inverted, and that will also cause it not to work. If you just switch it around for the RX issue, or you move it to a different UART for the S-Bus issue, it will start to work. Next, you're going to want to connect to betaflight. Go to the Ports tab and enable Serial RX on the port that you are using. Next, you're going to want to go to the Configuration tab and scroll down till you see Receiver. And you're going to select a serial-based receiver. And underneath that, in the drop-down menu, choose CRSF. Then when you go to the receiver tab, you will have input on your sticks. That's all you need to do to set up CRSF protocol on betaflight.